Hey guys, this is part 2 of the Beyblade World Tournament we made. And next up,
Earth Aquila and Time Clock.
Yep, so Zach, here's Earth Aquila, and I'll do Time Clock. If you haven't seen part 1, go off the video and see part 1 first. 3, 2, 1, let's go!
Oh, Earth Aquila already took some.
Ooh, Earth Aquila got
correct. Next round we have.
And again, the final round will have these two special reppers. Zach, can you move? Special reppers.
Oh, Earth Aquila's down.
And Time Clock win.
Put him with
Wait, what is it called?
Time Clock.
Time Clock won.
Okay, which one? Scrub one.
I'll pick Jupiter.
Jupiter Titan versus Earth Grizzly.
3, 2, 1, let's go.
Oh,
Stadium out.
One more and he's eliminated.
One more stadium out and he's eliminated until the end.
No, there's so many.
Yeah, at the end we'll be doing the one
stadium out winner.
Yeah, the stadium out winners. 3, 2, 1, let's go.
We'll do that with the championship battle. The championship and the stadium out people will be their own video. Well, the stadium out will be with the championship.
Yeah.
So there's going to be like 3 parts.
Ooh, Jupiter Titan looks better.
Earth Grizzly wins. So now we have...
And at the end, we'll also show you every bang.
Blitz Pegasus versus Flame Bull. Flame Bull. At the end of it, okay.
3, 2, 1, let's go.
Oh, that was a quick round.
That took a lot of damage.
Blitz Pegasus as the winner. Now we have Dark Capricorn versus Frozen Hades. I should get Frozen Hades. Here's Frozen.
Okay, Frozen. Wait, isn't he in the dead pile?
No, because he won.
Oh, this is the winning pile?
No, that's the dead pile. I accidentally won. Okay, ready?
3, 2, 1, let's go. Oh!
Now it's just a stamina battle.
It's a stamina battle, and Capricorn looks cappy.
Don't touch.
He is not moving. He's just staying where he is. Ooh!
And Dark Capricorn looks like he's gonna win this. And Dark Capricorn wins the stamina battle.
We tried our best to remake him.
So these people move on. I'm just gonna put E there and JT. What moved on here? BP and what moved? D.
Now are we doing the final?
No, we're doing the semifinals. So there are 3 people in the semifinals. So we will have to use these things.
Yep.
Josh,
So
you're using that one. So the first match here will be. Let's just get everything ready. First match will be Leon, Earth Aquila, and Jupiter Titan.
And if you're wondering why we can't do all we can,
Time Clock instead of Earth Aquila.
That shoots 2 base and this shoots 1. By the way, this is again this is my only star fragment, I think. I'm trying to get a new VS and Cosmic Pegasus.
I messed them up. It's actually Earth Grizzly and Time Clock with Leon.
Whoever in there, it's a death match. 3.
Wait,
Oh
my gosh, these things do not like it.
Yeah, they do.
Okay, I'm just gonna get another Ripper right after this.
We'll try it one more.
I'm just gonna get them ready. I'm not gonna try to send an attack with this guy.
3.
3, 2, 1.
Let
Let it rip! Let it rip! Sorry, this is a tab. Push it.
Oh, Leon gets
eliminated.
Leon gets a
Earth Grizzly is the winner.
That has to be a rematch.
What? Okay.
No, Grizzly and Leon and everybody. It has to be a rematch.
Why?
Because everything messed up. Sorry about the noise. Oh man.
Ready?
3, 2, 1.
Let it rip. Oh, that's a Stadium Allen. We can't redo it. To Stadium Allen. Leon is the winner. Leon is going to the championship.
Leon. Awesome, 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 awesome.
Okay. We have Blitz Pegasus, Dark Capricorn, and Flare Striker.
Oh, somehow the semifinals are right here. Okay, now we're using these launchers. We're using
Earth Finisher. Okay, so we have these three.
Okay, I'll be with this Bay. I'll be Blitz Pegasus. Awesome.
Get ready for the round, Josh.
Okay. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Let it rip.
Pegasus is eliminated already off the bat. And Dark Capricorn, that's a redo for the Stadium Allen.
Yeah, then everything has to be redo like first time.
Make sure you lock and load that thing, Josh.
Okay. If this ends up in a rematch, one more time we are using regular rippers for this. 3, 2, 1. Let it rip. Oh, didn't become a rematch. Oh,
He's out.
And Dark
Capricorn takes the win.
And that's because you shot last and he has a very good bait. It's a very good bait we made out of it. So now we're going to stop using these good launchers. I think this is Masamune's and a golden launcher.
We are going to the championship in the next episode. See you later.